Hey guys, wanna know how to sign into BeFunky by using Facebook? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your favorite browser and type in befunky.com. This will direct you to its official website. Now, on the top right corner, you can see the sign in button. Click on it. Make sure you are registered before signing in. If you are not, just click on this button right here. Now, since we are signing in with Facebook, click on Use Facebook. This will open another window and there you might have to sign in to your Facebook account. Now after filling in the credentials and doing the necessary steps, just click Continue. And there you have it. Your BeFunky has been signed in using Facebook. It's as simple as that. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.